how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. So here's a few things you can do to potentially fix this little problem. So first of all, just go ahead and open your programs, press on Windows and then R at the same time, and then just type in appwiz.cpl. It should just directly lead you to your programs. Then what you're gonna do is search for your Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. So both of these over here, x64 and x86, since we're just going to go ahead and reinstall this later. So once you've done that, you can go ahead to any preferred browser and then just search for, of course, Microsoft C++ redistributables. You're going to go ahead and install it from their site. So search for something like this and just enter usually the first option. So over there, you can go ahead and reinstall and download the files again. So you can look for it. So it should usually be right here. So for x86 and x64, make sure you do it on both programs you've uninstalled. Another thing you can go ahead and do is just search for command prompt in your search bar. And what you're gonna do is just type in sfc and then /scan now. This is just making sure your files are not corrupted, and you have the administrator to do this actually. So right click and run as administrator this time, and once you're there, just go ahead and type in sfc and then /scan now. So it's just gonna go ahead and do it for you. So it's gonna take some time, so wait for the verification to complete, and once it's done, you can go ahead and verify if your files are corrupted, and if it is, you can go ahead and use that as a basis. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.